As more people try to be environmentally responsible by bicycling instead of driving, we're seeing more bikes on the street and more accidents where bikers get hit by motor vehicles. When a car or truck strikes someone on a bicycle, it almost always causes serious injuries or tragically death. In a bicycle accident lawsuit, there are four main types of damages that can be recovered. First, medical bills or funeral expenses in the tragic case of a death. 2, lost wages. 3, pain and suffering. And 4th, oftentimes punitive damages. The problem is that oftentimes the law only requires a driver to carry as little as $15,000 in insurance coverage, and many drivers carry only that minimum. But $15,000 is rarely enough to compensate the victim for the serious injuries in a case like this. If you or a loved one was the victim of a bicycle accident, we invite you to call us here at Schaus Law Group. We will devise a plan to hold the driver responsible and to get you the maximum possible settlement.